to each other's hands. Whoa, this time might be the last time I fear, unless I make it all too clear. I need you so. Broken wings. Maybe I think tonight we can take what was wrong and make it all right. You're half of the flesh, and blood makes me whole, makes me whole, yeah, 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 yeah. So take these broken wings and learn to fly again, learn to live so free. And when we hear the voices sing, the book of love will open up and let us in. Take these broken wings. You've got to learn to fly, learn to live, to love so